Dear young people, hindi lahat ng uso ay tama at hindi rin lahat ng tama ay uso. We are now living in an era na kapag famous ka, may kalalagyan ka. Kapag marami kang followers, you feel loved and valued. Kapag sikat ka, mas masaya ang buhay, sabi nila. As you navigate life and day season, mahalaga na alam mo kung sino ka at para saan ka ginawa. Because your purpose matters. Ang mga bagay na meron tayo ngayon ay pahiram lang, hindi sa atin ang mga bagay na ito. Kaya during this season, magpaturo ka. Dahil kapag tinatama ka, ibig sabihin nun ay mahal ka at ayaw ka nilang mapahamak. Kapag hindi ka na kinokorek, ay wala na silang pakialam sa'yo. Don't miss out the joy of obedience in your season. You are born to stand out. Many can be famous, but not all can make a better impact. Your current choices will determine your future. Kaya wag ka lang pumili ka din ng tama. Go back to your purpose and choose to honor God with your life. Because nothing is permanent. Lahat ng bagay ay pwedeng mawala at magbago. Dear young people, there's more to life than your most curated photos. I believe in you. I believe in this generation. You will serve your purpose right. So help them, God. With love and prayers, Noel.